What's up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, Ferrari 458. Nothing too crazy, rear end damage, and I'm gonna have my brother explain exactly what we're gonna do to this car.
Hey guys, Ben here. Welcome back to another episode. So we just sent home that red 458 Italia that Vlad was working on, and that customer lived in Kansas City and he could not find a body shop around Kansas City that he trusts. So he had it transported all the way down to us. We arranged the transportation for him and we took care of the entire insurance claim. And guess what I have another 458 Italia for Vlad. This one came in, it's a rear end collision. The customer reached out and said, I'm very picky with my cars and I have OCD when it comes to cars. I said, no problem, bring it down. I have just the right person for the job. His name is Dr. Vlad and his OCD levels are out of this world. So let's take a look at what's going on here. What looks like a very light love tap resulted in over $70,000 worth of damage. $70,000. This bumper cover alone is over $10,000. This carbon fiber piece is over $10,000. The carbon fiber diffuser that is missing with the fins is over $20,000. So you can see how things add up very quickly. I can't stress this enough, guys. If you have friends, family, always make sure you and your friends and family have full coverage insurance. The person who rear-ended them is exposed to over $70,000 worth of damage. Vlad's gonna pull the car inside and he's gonna remove the bumper and we're gonna see if there's any hidden damages.
So there you guys go. That's the story with this one. Like Ben said, I'm gonna pull the car inside, take the rear bumper off, make sure there's no hidden damages or any funky stuff going on behind the bumper, because the impact was pretty good, probably 30-40 miles per hour, but it seems like nothing. So let's pull the car and see exactly what's going on. And we always cover the cars with plastic seat covers for the steering wheel and the floor mat.
Every night they're stored inside and we put them on the trickle charger.
So let's pull this bad boy and we'll go from there. Got the Ferrari in the shop, so now we could start working on it. I'm gonna remove the bumper and see if there's any surprises. And it's pretty easy to remove the bumper. A couple bolts on the side and at the bottom, and the bumper should slide out. So let's get to work. Just removed the bumper and we got a little surprise. Wow, that's crazy, didn't expect that. So from the accident, this reinforcement got bent. And look, it's a pretty good bend. Well, that's crazy that the bumper didn't crack completely. Just has a lot of spider webs, so kind of interesting hit, because this is a fiberglass bumper. I would assume it would have cracked in half, but no, just a lot of spider webs going in and now. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. Okay, let's go tell Ben we got a surprise for him. Mr. Ben, I got a surprise for you on the Ferrari. The reinforcement is actually bent. That's a surprise. Check this out.
I mean, that's not too bad. It looks like the impact bar did exactly what it was designed to do, which it took the impact. But the thing is, with the bumpers, they're very flexible. So obviously it got pushed in and then the bumper
came back out.
Almost in perfect shape besides all the hairline cracks. So.
But yeah, this is not like the worst case. Just gotta get a new reinforcement and that's it. But yeah, that's why you guys can't settle on the parking lot, because then you gotta have a surprise.
No, customer should be stoked. I mean, he's gonna have all brand new parts, factory PPG paint with lifetime warranty, installed by Dr. Vlad with precision, and all we have to do is replace the reinforcement. So it's not too bad.
Not bad at all. So we'll order the new reinforcement and everything. Pretty much he's gonna have a brand new rear end.
He got lucky.
Yeah, very lucky. But I was just showing them, like, I would assume the bumper would like crack in half, but no, it's just kind of.
That's how they're designed, even on like Honda Civics, the bumper.
Well, this is fiberglass, that's the funny part. Okay, we'll order all the parts. Once everything comes in, we'll replace the reinforcement.
That the customer wants to go with like some bronze or goldish.
Oh, he's gonna change the wheels. That's gonna look cool. Guess we'll find out. Whatever the customer wants, customer gets. Okay, cool. We'll order all the parts and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. Here's all the parts for the Ferrari. Let's open the box and see exactly what we got. Very nice box. ¿Qué pasa, calabasa? Yes, sir. Christmas came little late this year. And that's the carbon diffuser. Wow. Very nice. Everything is brand new, straight from Italiano, straight from Ferrari manufacturing. Here's all the Ferrari part numbers, brand new. Nothing is used, everything is fresh. This is beautiful. Ferrari, all brand new. And then here's a brand new bumper made by Ferrari. So right now I'm gonna start removing the reinforcement and start installing the new one. So I gotta free everything around it so then we could remove it and reinstall the new one, and we'll go from there. So we just got our new reinforcement. I'm gonna give this to Andre so he could paint it, and then we'll start installing. So everything is loose and removed from the reinforcement. Next, unfortunately, it's welded together, so I gotta grind the welds off and then it'll come off, and then we'll just weld the new one, and it should be as good as new. That's it, just remove the old one, more like cut it out. Next I'm gonna clean up all the edges and we could start welding the new one. Just installed the new reinforcement, everything looks good. So now we're ready to start welding together. We just finally got the wheel sample for the Ferrari. Customer approved the color, so now we could send out the rest of the wheels and get them powder coated. But let's take a look and see what we got. Boom, check it out. So this is gonna be the new color for the wheels. I like this a lot better than the black one. Black one is just overrated and boring. But this with yellow makes it nice and gives the nice contrast. I like it a lot, so now let's remove the rest of the wheels, send them out, and we're also gonna send out the wheel lugs as well and get them powder coated, because chrome doesn't go too good in there. That's the plan. Let's do this. That's it, just removed all the wheels, so now we're ready to send them out. We called the company, they're gonna come grab them and then bring them back to us. And same thing, I got all the lug nuts. We'll repaint them as well and should be as good as new. I'm excited to actually install them on the car and see the final product, how it's gonna look. It's gonna look very nice. Ferrari bumper got painted, so now we could start installing it back on the car. Here's the brand new bumper. Right now I just gotta transfer all the lights, wire harness, install the carbon fiber piece. We got a new one. And then those, we're gonna replace them as well. They're damaged and we got carbon fiber pieces. So we'll transfer everything on the new bumper and start installing it back on the car. That's it, just put the bumper together. Now we're ready to start installing, but let's take a look at the finished product. Check out this bumper, man, came out so clean. We also end up getting those carbon fiber piece, black exhaust tips, and then this upper piece we got a brand new as well, because the old one, unfortunately, it's cracked right here in the corner, and then all of those are damaged as well. They're all cracked. Same with the bumper. This is all ripped out. All of this is broken. This is, and then it has spider web damages. So now let's install this bumper and get this Ferrari ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Just installed the bumper. Next, we're gonna install the rear diffuser and get this thing wrapped up. The rear bumper installed. Man, I love this carbon fiber. It looks amazing. And now we're gonna install the last final piece, carbon fiber diffuser. And this is original carbon fiber diffuser from Ferrari. Best thing ever. Very good quality, as you guys would expect from Ferrari. Just installed the diffuser. Next, we're gonna put the fender liners and wheels, and we're done. Ready for wash, detail, and delivery. But came out nice. Nice contrast, carbon, yellow carbon. Looks amazing. Next, we'll lower the car, install the fender liners, and then for the final, the wheels. I like it. Looks really clean. Just installed the fender liners, everything's secured and ready to go. Same on this side. So now for the final, install those beautiful wheels and we're ready to go.
All right, guys, and that's a wrap. As you see, we're complete with the Ferrari 458 project. Vlad did a perfect job with all the gaps. All the parts are brand new OEM from Ferrari. And Andre did an excellent job color matching this perfect color. Gaps are on point. Everything is brand new, factory down to the last bolt. Vlad's craftsmanship, once again, perfection. And guys, if you're ever in this unfortunate situation, please feel free to reach out. Whether you're in California or not, there's one way or another we can help you out. And then also, Vlad doesn't ask for much from his subscribers. He's been generating content for many years. If you guys are interested, we finally came out with the What Happened, Nothing Happened t-shirt, as well as some very high-end license plate frames. Check out the tee. Then these are our new license plate frames. You can purchase them on LNCMotorsport.com. We have the silver etched ones, which are a little more low-key, and then we have the traditional LNC colors, which pops a little more. Both are available online, very high quality. So per the customer's request, the final thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take it to the dealership, the Ferrari dealership. There's really no reason to take it. It was a very minor hit, but insurance company is paying, and that's what the customer wants. And we work for the customer, not the insurance company. The customer comes first. And also, lastly, I almost forgot to mention, the customer, while he was here and the car was here frozen for a month or so, his wheels used to be black and we painted them this nice bronze color. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you rock this look or not? Yeah, but anything you guys need, feel free to reach out to Dr. Vlad or myself and we'll help you out.
So we're officially done with this build. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!